Is faceless YouTube still worth it in 2026? Or is it already too late? Because everywhere you look, you'll see people claiming that it's saturated, it's overdone, or no longer working. So in this video, we're going to break down the reality, what's changed, what still works, and whether this is actually worth your time right now. The idea feels simple. More people, more competition, less opportunity. And on the surface, that makes sense. There are more faceless channels now than there were a few years ago. More AI tools, more content, more noise. So it's easy to assume there's no room left. But here's what most people miss. YouTube doesn't reward who started first. It rewards what people click and what they keep watching. And that hasn't changed. What has changed is the quality of content being uploaded. This is super important because it means that low-effort content is easier to ignore. And good content stands out faster. Most faceless channels don't fail because of competition. They fail because they copy without understanding. They change direction too early. And they stop before patterns appear. So it's not that the opportunity is gone. It's that most people never stay long enough to reach it. Faceless YouTube still works for one simple reason. The demand hasn't changed. People still want information, entertainment, and solutions. And if your video delivers that clearly, YouTube will show it to more people. The real question isn't, is it saturated? It's, can you produce content that people actually want to watch consistently enough for patterns to form? Because if the answer is yes, then it still works. So, is faceless YouTube still worth it in 2026? Yes, it is. But not for the reason most people think. It's not about being early. It's about being consistent, clear, and structured. If you want to see what this actually looks like in practice, take a look at my next video, where I tested a faceless YouTube channel for 7 days to see what actually happens at the start. Watch that next to see what happened.